Cooking becomes faster, easier, and more delicious when you have the right pressure cooker in your kitchen. A good pressure cooker not only saves time and energy, but also locks in nutrients and flavors, making your meals healthier and tastier. In today's video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best pressure cookers that combine safety, durability, and smart features to make everyday cooking simple and efficient. Whether you need one for daily family meals or for heavy-duty use, this list will help you choose the perfect pressure cooker for your kitchen. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker, Slow Cooker, Rice/Grain Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Sous Vide, Yogurt Maker, Sterilizer, and Warmer. Includes app with over 800 recipes. Black, 6-quart brand instant pot capacity 6 quarts material stainless steel color black finish type matte product dimensions 13-inch DX 12.7 WX 12.8H special feature programmable wattage 1200 watts item weight 6 kilograms control method touch 10 cooking functions, pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, sterilize, cook yogurt and rice, bake, steam, or simply keep warm, all in one easy appliance. Customizable smart programs, tackle every recipe with 28 one-touch options covering all essential meals. Good food done faster, preheat 20% faster and cook up to 70% faster compared to slow cooking methods. Number 2. Cosori Pressure Cooker 6 QT, Stainless Steel, 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, 12 Safety Features, Ceramic Inner Pot, Rice, Slow Cook, Sous Vide, Sauté, 1100W Brand Cosori Capacity 6 quarts Material Stainless Steel Color Silver Pressure Cooker. Finish type metallic product dimensions 12.6-inch DX 13.4 WX 12.5H. Special feature 13-in-1 cooking presets, 9-in-1 cooking functions, ceramic non-stick inner pot, cooking recipe book included, hassle-free steam release switch 13-in-1 cooking presets, 9-in-1 cooking functions, ceramic non-stick inner pot, cooking recipe book included, hassle-free steam release switch wattage 1100 watts item weight 11.9 pounds. Control method touch pressure cook, rice, steam, sterilize, oatmeal/porridge, stew/broth, bean/grain, meat/poultry, slow cook, sauté, ferment, sous vide, keep warm the seal/vent button away from the steam release value, and the 30 degrees backward angled steam release design, make a safer and easier venting. Number 3. Instant Pot 6 QT Rio, 7-in-1 Electric Multi-Cooker, Pressure Cooker, Slow Cook, Rice, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt and Warmer, Black. 6 quarts brand instant pot capacity 6 quarts material stainless steel color black finish type matte product dimensions 13.2-inch DX 12.2 WX 12.5H special feature programmable wattage 1000 watts item weight 12 pounds. Control method touch 7 cooking functions, pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, yogurt, or simply keep your meal warm all in one appliance. Customizable smart programs, tackle every recipe with 13 one-touch options. From hearty soups to decadent cakes. Safe and easy steam release. Easy release ensures fast, safe, and simple steam release every time. Good food done faster, cook up to 70% faster compared to slow cooking methods. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Slow Cooker, Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt Maker, Warmer and Sterilizer, includes app with over 800 recipes, stainless steel. 8-quart brand instant pot capacity 8 quarts material stainless steel finish type stainless steel product dimensions 13.18-inch DX 14.8 WX 10.4H special feature 13 smart touch customizable programs wattage 1200 watts item weight 15.8 pounds control method touch operation mode automatic 7 cooking functions, pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, yogurt, or simply keep your meal warm all in one appliance. Customizable smart programs, tackle every recipe with 13 one-touch options, from hearty soups to decadent cakes. Safe and easy steam release, the easy release steams which ensures fast, safe, and simple steam release every time. Number 5. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi and built-in scale easy to use 10-in-1 multi-cooker with 500 plus guided recipes rice cooker, slow cooker, instant meals for foodies 6-quart family size brands HEF IQ capacity 6 quarts material aluminum ABS and PP plastic color black finish type matte product dimensions 13-inch DX 13 WX 13H special feature programmable wattage 1000 watts item weight 10.4 pounds control method app. The Chef IQ app. Connect to our free app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and access hundreds of guided cooking recipes and culinary how-to videos. Control and monitor your smart cooker, and access hundreds of presets for almost any ingredient.